this take is going to be important. So don't f it up. Our rules set the expectation for in-person. Sorry. I'm not sorry. Stop saying sorry. Our rules set the expectations for in-person classes, but there's far more content in this workshop, covering our plan of action before. To help you stay engaged, there are breathing exercises, pranayama in Sanskrit, meditation, and physical. I said the white girl way. I'll share some more nuance. Dedicate a full month to each chapter. We already know that's what's going to happen, right? Right? Yeah, I'm telling you, you need to listen. Not you need. I recommend, I invite you to listen to every moment. Soak it in. You're going to hear me say it 1,000 times. Today I'll walk you through a super simple meditation technique that you can take with you throughout the rest of the chapter. That's not the word. The workshop. There's a siren. That you can take with you throughout the rest of the chapter. The workshop. Why am I saying chapter? That's not the word. We'll feel. So first, let's adjust our Adjust. That we'll feel calm and serene with a thought in a black. I hear people say all the time about how bad they are at meditating. Derp. So that when we get distracted, we have failed. That's not in the script. It doesn't really make sense to criticize yourself, so stop it. You might experience moments of peace where your mind feels great. But unless you've been practicing for many, many years, it likely won't last very long. Go away, bird. Unless you've been practicing for many, many years, I feel like they just need to put all these studios in very metropolitan areas. It's like, put it in Wallingford. Nobody does anything in Wallingford. A goal describes a desired result. There is no possible way that you can fail at this. So please try to don't tell them please. It's so didactic. Please do this. Are you kidding me? Goal describes so try to let go of any specific goals. And we try to overcome obstacles on our way to the finish line. And if you forget to be kind to yourself during this workshop, I'll be there to remind you. Curiosity and self-compassion. Nailed that one. I'm more able to make helpful suggestions. I'm more able to make helpful suggestions. I'm more able to help make helpful suggestions. You can click on the whatever to see my students by more positive body image and self something. That's it. That's the one. To continue, all you need is the willingness to experience it as it something. Sorry, I curse a lot. If you forget to be kind to yourself, I'll be here to remind you. Just for this workshop, not for the rest of your life. Maybe. Nailing this.